Still tracking your expenses in boring Excel sheets? Let me show you how to turn this into a powerful finance dashboard. Let's start with the dataset. We have date, category, type, and amount. You can create the dashboard along with me. Press Ctrl+T to make the table dynamic. To make analysis easier, let's extract the month. Use this simple formula. This helps us create monthly trends. Now let's create visuals. Add new sheet and rename as category expense. Select any cell in the dataset. Press this shortcut to open pivot table. Select the existing sheet category expense and press OK. From the pivot table, add category, amount, and type. Move type in filter section. Select only expenses. Right-click the amount and sort smallest to largest. Insert a clustered bar chart. Hide all the buttons from chart. Rename the title as category-wise expense. Add data labels. Add new pivot table to new sheet. Rename the sheet as top 5 expense. Add new pivot table. From the pivot table, add category, amount. Add type in filter section and filter only expense. Click on down arrow on row labels. Go to value filters and select top 10. Change the top 10 to 5 to get top 5 expense. Right click on the amount. Select sort largest to smallest. Now we have our top 5 expense. Insert a pie chart to the table. Hide all the buttons on chart. Bring the legend on top. Add data labels. Format the data labels. Change the title to top 5 expenses. This shows where your money is going as top 5 expense. Add new sheet. Income versus expense. Insert a pivot table in new sheet. For income versus expense, select type and amount. Insert a cluster bar chart. Hide the buttons. Edit the title as income versus expense. Add data labels. Format the data labels and chart. Add a new sheet as monthly income versus expense. Insert a pivot table. Select month, amount and type in column. Insert a clustered column chart. Hide all the buttons on chart. Move the legend on top. Add chart title. Add title as monthly income versus expense. This compares your earnings versus spending. Insert slicers, category, and month. Now let's make it interactive. Connect the slicers to all pivots. Repeat the same for month slicer. We're using pivot tables and slicers to make this dashboard fully dynamic. Now let's create our finance dashboard. Remove grid lines. Insert the dashboard template. You can also add shapes in Excel to create your dashboard design. You should always plan the layout for your dashboard before you begin with creating dashboard. Design is what makes dashboards stand out. Now we will align charts to our dashboard. Copy-paste the charts here. Remove the fill and border line of chart. Format the chart elements. Format the chart as per your dashboard design. Repeat the same process for all our charts. Let me fast forward. Add slicers to our dashboard. Align and format the slicer. I have created another video on how to design the slicer. Slicer design link is in the description. Insert a text box to add title to our dashboard. Name it as Finance Dashboard. Format the dashboard title. Insert text box for our KPIs. Total income. Resize the text. Change the font color. Hold Ctrl key and move the mouse to copy paste. Change to total expense. Now we have total income and expense. Our third KPI will be net savings. Repeat the same for net savings. Insert a text box. Go to Formula bar and give the reference of total income. Repeat the same for total expense. Get the net savings. In a cell, subtract the total income from total expense. This will give you the net savings. And this would be dynamic. Give the reference of net savings cell value. Format the charts. Use consistent colors. Green color will represent income. Red color will represent expense. All charts and Ps are reacting as per the slicer selection. If we change the category, the top 5 expense changes. We don't want this to happen to our top 5 expense chart. To correct this, select the category slicer. Go to Slicers and Report Connections. Uncheck the top 5 expense pivot. Now if you select any expense, the top 5 remains the same. But when you select the month, it will show the top 5 expense for that particular month. Insert icons or shapes or any elements to our KPI. Icons improve visual hierarchy and make dashboards more intuitive. Instead of just numbers, users can instantly understand what each KPI represents. Now your finance dashboard is ready. You can track everything in one place. Download the file below and subscribe for more Excel dashboards.